that we will stand united and we will wait for the day that everyone in Iran is free. Today, we are also here in a heavy heart, remembering 2 police officers that lost their lives in the line of duty last week. Constable Bally from the OPP and Constable Pinizzotto from the Toronto Police Service. Keeping our country safe comes at a heavy cost, and we know that. All we have to do is look around the world and understand that our democracies are always worth fighting for, and we must always stand up for our rights to be free and to be free every single day. Thank you. A week ago today, we walked with Israel, and the Persian community walked with the Jewish community. The umbilical bond between the Jewish community and the Persian community is unbreakable. It's unshakable, and it is forever. So friends, 3.5 months we've been together almost every single week, hoping and praying that the illegitimate terrorist regime in Iran will leave, will surrender, and democracy will reign. And I'm not giving up hope. And neither should you. I want to thank the organizers week after week that have rallied a community together like never before. And I want to acknowledge my incredible colleague, Minister Michael Kerzner, a Persian Ontarian that understands every single day that we can't give up, we will never give up. And this hall of democracy right here, our Ontario legislature, we will tell the strength of the Persian community. We will speak of the resilience of the Persian community, and we will let everybody know that the Persian community in Ontario never walks alone. So friends, even in the rain, even in the snow, even in the cold, it doesn't matter. The Persian community in Ontario is inseparable from me, and I will stand with you now and always, as I promised to do. And I hope and pray that the next time we meet, people in Iran are free to be free. And until that day, we will not give up, we will never surrender, and we will hope one day that we are together soon, invoking the strength and the history of Cyrus the Great. We will be together soon and see Iran free. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. And we wish.